This is quick sort. So first, you're gonna want to find a pivot straw. We'll go with this one. Then you want to move the pivot straw outside of the array. Now, there's going to be two bounds, one to the farthest of the left that is going to move right, and it's going to look for a straw that is bigger than the pivot, and one on the right side that is going to move to the left and look for a straw smaller than the pivot. So, the left straw will now begin, the left bound, moving to the right until it finds one bigger. It has found one bigger, and now that that bound will stay there, and the right bound will look for a bound smaller or until it reaches the left bound. Since there is no straw that is smaller than the straw, you swap, and the bounds have met at that straw right there, the pivot and the bounds will swap places, and the pivot is now locked in place. That is where it's going to be at the end of this sort. Then we pick another pivot straw, go with the one on the end because it's already there. You would move it outside of the array, and then you repeat the process. The left bound will now look for a straw that is bigger, and the right bound will now look for one smaller. Since it's found both the straw that is bigger and smaller, you swap the straws. No. Yeah. No. Just swap. Yeah. And then the left bound will now move to the right until it meets the right bound. The left bound is here, and it moves to the right. Now that they have met, you swap the bounds with the pivot. And the pivot is now locked now. The pivot is now locked in place, right there. Then we pick another pivot. Go with the one farthest to the right. The left bound will now look for a straw that is bigger. Since there is not one, the pivot will be locked in place where it is. And we'll do it again. And the same thing will happen. And then we'll do the whole process again. And then we'll do it one more time. No, we won't. But that's it.